Alright, well, I just wanted to make a short video here, doing an updated tour of the stuffed animal room. It's changed a little bit since the first tour video I made. So I just thought I'd go ahead and make a short video here and show the changes. Alright. That right there is a Bluetooth speaker that I can plug into my phone. It's pretty cool. I would show you, but I'm recording with my phone, so we had to get a new PlayStation because our old one fucking broke. We got a new TV just for fun. It's a Roku TV. It's got built-in apps in it and shit, so I really don't even need the PlayStation anymore. I just use the TV, the Roku thing, whatever. At Black Friday, I went and got me a little surround sound system. It's got that bar right there. It's Bluetooth. It's awesome. I mean, that's not Bluetooth. I mean, that's plugged into, the TV. But this is Bluetooth with that, which is my, that's my subwoofer. And we got a speaker over here. A speaker down there. Asia's gotten me this neat little dinosaur light. I thought that was pretty cool. And she's also gotten me that, which I also think is pretty neat. I use that every night because I think it's fascinating. I think it's neat. And check that out. That's pretty cool. If you can't tell what that is, that's a moon. It's pretty cool. And also, just the other day, a couple days ago, I put up new lights. The old lights that were purple burned out. This is actually a late birthday gift from Asia's mom. And the cool thing about these is that, you see that right there? There are 3 or 4 of these speakers built into it, and those run through Bluetooth also. I can play my phone through it, which again I can't show you because I'm filming with my phone. We got a couple new stuffed animals. We got him, Sully. I don't think I had Cupid before. Here's where some of my hats are. I don't think I'm going to keep my hats hung there because it's covering the name of the doors and I don't like that. So I'm trying to think of different places to put my hats. And over here we have a new SpongeBob dressed up as a sheriff. Pretty sure that monkey wasn't there before. That's new. And now I just wanted to show the room in the dark. And that's that.